Cardano price prediction. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain network that aims to empower changemakers, innovators, and visionaries to effect lasting social change. The open source project also seeks to redistribute control from unaccountable institutions to the margins to people. Cardano has a price today of 1.22 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 6719866,914 USD and a market capitalization of $39 billion. It has a circulating supply of 31948309441 ADA coins and a maximum supply of 45,000,000,000 ADA coins. Cardano started an uptrend on the daily time frame in the middle of January and topped on the 27th February at the price of 0.0003195 BTC per ADA. From the 27th of February until today, we are in a retracement that looks like it's correcting for at least one more leg up. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a structure that started in the middle of March and it's still developing. Crucial zones that will determine the future direction of this pair are the support area and the minor resistance marked on the chart. If you see a down move that will break the support, it will increase the chances of a deeper retracement. If it will break the minor resistance and will consolidate there, we should see the price trying to reach the major resistance. So Cardano continued to trade within a range established between $1 and $1.47. The midpoint of this range is at $1.23 and is a region of importance in the short term for ADA bulls. There was some bullish momentum behind ADA which saw it climb from $1.05 to $1.25. But keep in mind, it made some selling pressure there and pulled back to $1.18. Check-in money flow showed an equilibrium between buyers and sellers, while directional movement index had both ADX and plus DI above 20, but which is barely less. Over the next 48 hours, ADA has to climb past $1.23 on average trading volume for a bullish scenario to develop. This would open the possibility of ADA climbing to $1.48 in the next few days. Rejection will likely see ADA drop back to $1.02. And some news about Cardano. Following the Cardano 360 event, the platform developer Input Output Hong Kong has published a summary of the key points. In addition to showing a demo of decentralized exchange like Uniswap running on Pluto's IOHK confirmed the date for the D-Day. Slated for March 31, Cardano's developer announced that on this date, they will hand over full control of block production to community stake pool operators. Therefore, the D parameter, a metric that measures Cardano's decentralization, will be reduced to 0. Thus, embracing full decentralization, Cardano's network has over 375,000 delegators and 2,350 registered pools. So for the Cardano price prediction, we can say, after breaking out from the previous wedge, ADA has now had a healthy pullback of 50% and also retesting the top of the first leg in the extended W pattern. Looking at the previous 4-hour candlestick, this hammer suggests a reversal with price rejection below 50%. I would normally put my entries in this current point. However, I think it should be wise to wait for another candle to confirm my premise. Price is moving slowly as there is a lack of volume. Therefore, we can afford to take out time with this trade. So keep in mind that the analysis provided is purely informative and it should not be used as financial advice. Remember that you need a plan before you start trading. So take this knowledge and use it as a guidebook that will ultimately help you understand the market and easily predict your next move. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information. Thank you everyone.